Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick little video here. So you purchased the KP316 stainless steel beautiful reverse lever and you installed it just like this, and it won't lock perfectly. You got to kind of slam it, and up here you have a little extra play. So there's an adjustment for this, and almost everybody will have to adjust it. It's made for a longer throw and it fits a lot of machines. So we're going to adjust it, and the primary portion of adjustment is right here. You're going to use an 8mm wrench. You're going to loosen this nut here, just like that. You guys can see that. Okay. We're going to pop this quick connect off here. Sometimes they get stuck, but you're going to pull down. So you're going to pull this down, and then this pulls right off, just like that. Okay, now we're going to screw this down a couple turns. Alright, and we're going to put it back on. Same way in reverse. Just like that. Push that up. And we're not going to tighten that screw yet. We're just going to see how this thing feels. Okay. I think we can go a little bit more. You can see that there. See? It's locking, but it's not perfect. So let's look at the back. Let's go see if the rear is sitting in the right spot. Okay, so this is pretty much almost hitting the reverse bucket. All right, so you see that stop there? That's where you want to make sure that you're sitting on. Right there. So we're good there. So let's go back here. And let's see, I think we're going too forward. So let's loosen this again. I'm going to go down with this nut. I'm going to pull this off. And we're going to go another couple turns. Okay, let's go back down here. Okay, that's back up, just like that. All right, let's see here. Much, much better. Look at that. Could probably go a little bit more, but that's pretty good. Now we have the nut here. We're gonna tighten that by hand, like that. And then we're gonna go in with the wrench. Just like that. Now it's tight, it's snug, everything looks pretty good. Look at that, there we go. Now you want to make sure that your reverse bucket itself actually sits on that little spot on the ride plate that I showed you over there, and all is good there. If it needs a little more adjustment, you want to make sure that it actually stops on that ride plate, so you actually have functioning reverse instead of kind of neutral. So that's it with the stainless steel reverse lever. Slight adjustment, but look how pretty these are, and they will never break again. Look at that. That's awesome, guys. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.